Next question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches. So total number of matches which is not given in the question. So won how many matches? 10 matches won. Okay. If their win percentage, so win percentage is equal to 40 percentage, that is given in the question. Then how many matches did they played in all? That means suppose if they played number of matches, out of the total number of matches 40 percentage matches are won. That 40 percentage matches is equal to this 10, correct? Because the number of matches won is equal to 10. So we have to calculate total number of matches. Total number of matches that we don't know. This total number of matches and its 40 percentage is equal to 10. That means 40 percentage of matches won. That means number of matches won is equal to 10 means 40 percentage of this total matches is equal to 10. That is the meaning. So I am taking let the number of matches played, total number of matches played by the team be X. So we have to calculate total number of matches. So I am assuming that this total number of matches is X. Okay. Win percentage we know that that is equal to 40 percentage. And this 40 percentage of X is equal to win number, correct? 40 percentage of total number of matches is equal to 10. So I am writing it as sentence. 40 percentage of total match is equal to 10. This is the number of matches. So 40 percentage of total match is equal to 10. We can write 40 percentage, we can write it as 40 divided by 100 of into total match, we assume here it as X. So the answer is equal to 10. We have to find out the value of X. Okay. So how can we calculate value X? I am taking this number onto the right hand side. Already we have 10 here. I written 10 here. This 100 comes onto the numerator. So 100 comes here. 40 comes onto the denominator. 40 comes here. Cross multiplication. So that we have to take the reciprocal of this number onto the right side. So 10 into 100 divided by 40. We can cancel this 0, 0 and 10 we can cancel here by 2, 10 by 2 5, 4 by 2 2. Again 2 we are cancelling, 10 by 2 5. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So the answer what is 25? That is X. What is X? Total number of matches is X. So the final answer is therefore total number of matches is equal to 25. Out of this 25, 10 matches won. So that 10 matches is 40%. That is the meaning of the question. Okay. Next question, question number 5. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So in the beginning she has a total rupees that we don't know what amount she has at the beginning. So the total rupees I am assuming it as X. Okay. Chameli had 600 left after spending 75 rupees. 75% of her money. So after spending 75% means total 100. Out of this 100 she spent 75% of how much rupees? Total X rupees. And now she has the money 600. That means total rupees, and after that out of 100, 75 rupees she spent, already spent. That is why we subtracted this 75%, because if so out of 100 total 75% she already spent, remaining 25% she has now, that is the amount 600, correct? Already she spent 75%, remaining total 100, so remaining that 100 minus 75% of total money she has now, that is 600 rupees. So we have to find out the total money, that means the beginning money. So 100 minus 75 you will get 25% of X is equal to 600. 25% she has now. So 25% of x is equal to 600. 25% we can write it as 25 divided by 100 of into x is equal to 600. Okay. So we have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to 600 into this 100 comes on numerator divided by 25 comes on denominator. 125 we can cancel, we will get here 4. So 600 into 4 is equal to 2400 rupees. You can cross check your answers. This is the total rupees, correct? After spending 75%. So find the 75% of this one. Then 240 2400 minus that 75%, you should get the 600 remaining value. Okay, so you can cross check your answer just like this. Next, question number 6, do it as homework. I will explain the method. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percentage of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. It is very easy. 60% like cricket, 30 like football. So others like means 60 plus 30 we will get 90. Total it is 100. So others means that total 100 minus 90 we will get 10. So the other people like means how much percentage? That is 10%. Next we have to calculate the number of people who like cricket, football and other games. So you have to, and total number it is given here in the question 50 lakh. 50 lakh means you can write it as 50 lakh also. No need to convert it in the digit. Okay. So number of people who like cricket means this. How much percentage? 30%. 30% of 50 lakh. So 60% like cricket. So 60% of 50 lakhs. So 60 divided by 100. 60%. 60 divided by 100 of into total number of people 50. So calculate the answer. You will get one answer here. Number of people who like football means 30% of 50 lakhs. So 30%. 30 divided by 100 of into 50 lakh. Again, number of people who like the other game means you can calculate easy because percentage is equal to 10. So 10% of 50 lakh you have to calculate 10%. 10 divided by 100 of into 50 the total numbers. So calculate the answer. This question do it as homework.